Ever felt that heart-sinking moment when you realize you've been locked out of your crypto wallet? Specifically, your Coinbase wallet? It's a non-custodial wallet, which is great for control, but means you are the only one who holds the master key. Lose that key, and your access, along with your funds, can be gone. Well, don't panic. Today, we're walking through the crucial steps to recover lost access to your Coinbase wallet. The key to this entire process is one simple, yet incredibly important thing: your 12-word recovery phrase. If you have your 12-word phrase, you are in luck. That phrase is your ultimate backup. It's what lets you restore your wallet on any device. Here's the breakdown. Step 1. Reinstall the app. If you simply forgot your PIN or are dealing with a technical glitch, your first move is often to uninstall and then immediately reinstall the Coinbase Wallet app. Step 2. Initiate the restore process. When you open the fresh install of the app, do not select Create a new wallet. Instead, you'll choose I already have a wallet or the Restore with Recovery Phrase option. Step 3. Enter your recovery phrase. This is the most critical step. Carefully enter your 12-word phrase, making sure every word is spelled correctly and is in the exact order it was given to you. A single error will lead you to a completely different, empty wallet, or fail the recovery entirely. Once you've correctly entered the phrase, the wallet will generate all your accounts and funds linked to that master key. You'll be prompted to set a new PIN, and you'll be back in business. Now, let's talk about the nightmare scenario. What if you do not have your 12-word recovery phrase? Because Coinbase Wallet is non-custodial, it means Coinbase does not hold your keys. They cannot recover the phrase for you, nor can they access or move your funds. The recovery phrase is your sole key. However, there is one slim possibility: your cloud backup. If you enabled the Google Drive or iCloud backup feature when you first set up the wallet, your encrypted phrase might be stored there. When you go through the I already have a wallet process, look for the option to restore with cloud backup. You'll need the specific password you created for that cloud backup, and you must be using the original Google or Apple account. If that fails, unfortunately, there is no further way to recover your wallet. The takeaway here is stark but vital: always keep multiple secure, offline backups of your 12-word recovery phrase. Treat it like cash, because that's exactly what it is. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.